right, you guys, we are going to look at some place value some more today, and we are going to spend time talking about place, okay? Hence why it's named place value, okay? So, for so many years, teachers have taught you left to right, top to bottom, left to right, top to bottom. Well, place value breaks the rules. Can you believe that? It totally breaks the rules. For place value, we don't go left to right. For place value, we're going to go backwards, you guys. We're going to go backwards. So, let me slide this over. There we go. All right. So, what I have here is just 13. Okay? When we read from right to left, we're going backwards. The first number we stumble upon is the ones place. That right there is the ones. So I'm going to put another 3 in this ones place. Okay. The next number you come up to is the tens place. So I'm going to put a 1 in the tens. Okay. So this number is ones. This number is your tens. Okay. We're going backwards. When we do this, we go from, what do we do? Do you remember? We go, oh, where'd my arrow go? Did you guys see that? Where'd it go? Well, let me do it now. No. So I'm just going to draw it. We go backwards. We go this way. Okay? That way. So let's do it with a hundreds number. Okay? Remember, we're going to start here, and we're going to go that way. Oh, oopsies. All right. We have to go backwards with place value. So, let's go backwards again. The first number we get to is the ones. The next number we get to is the tens. The next number we get to is the hundreds. Okay? So looking at this number, I'm going to go out of order to see if you're with me. What number is in the tens place? Ones, tens. Oh! It's 1. Okay. What number is in the hundreds place? Ones, tens, hundreds. It's the 2. Okay. What place is that 3 in? Yeah, it's in the ones. So this is something I want you guys to be practicing, okay? Is understanding what place something is in.